Hey guys, so today I'm going to kind of do a makeover on this wig right here because I'm planning to cut the hair short and also color it and style the hair like Lisa from Blackpink. Right now, as you guys can see, I'm not so sure if it looks damaged to you in the camera, but in real life it's really bad. I feel like coloring it like just like Lisa's hair and having it cut just like Lisa's hair length would make this wig look alive. And also, by the way, this is the color, the shade that I will be using on my wig's hair. It kind of similarly looks like Lisa's hair color. So that's the shade right there. That's what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like as of the moment. And as you guys can see, it's not pretty. Last time when I wore this wig, some of you are telling me to like just throw it out and all that because it really looks dead. I mean, like, hair is already dead because it's dead keratin, but it looks even more dead. Also, some of you, when I wore this, commented that it looks ratchet, and I'm like, what's ratchet? And then I searched for the meaning of ratchet, and when I found out the meaning of ratchet, I was like, wow, well, that's not nice. Okay, so we're going to try my best to make this wig look decent. At the moment, I'm going to go ahead and detangle the hair first. Okay guys, I plan on cutting and styling it first, and then after that dye it and then wash it. I think that it would be great if I would straighten the hair first, just so that it will be easier for me to cut it properly later. It looks kind of decent now. I just need to straighten this a bit right here, probably on top. And also, I'm looking at Lisa's pictures. I'm gonna let you guys see so you can all know exactly what I'm talking about. I think that the see-through bangs would be great. I don't think the full-on bangs would work with this wig. First hair inspo, right there. Second one. The third one, and she has other hairstyles too to wear her hair straight. I think this one. Do you notice that her bangs here right now are not really like one of those full-on bangs? I think you can add more to the bangs, just cut more. The only thing though is that I don't have a mirror in front of me, and I'm basically using the viewfinder as a mirror. As I've said, I think you need to add in more bangs, so cut the hair. I don't know why I'm so anxious in cutting this hair, and this hair is not even mine. Okay, like this hair is a wig, but I'm so nervous about cutting it. So now I'm just going to do this to kind of like thin it out. I think I still need to cut a little bit here at the side, and go just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut the hair shorter. The only thing about cutting wigs though is that they won't grow back. Like if I mess this up, it's like messed up forever. I'm gonna use the technique of some people and how they do this. So put a ponytail here, do a ponytail. You do exact same thing on the other side. Alright. Oh, I can't believe. Ooh, girl. It looks healthier though. Oh my goodness. If I dyed my hair black or brown, I would totally look like Dora the Explorer. But these are the unhealthy ends, and the next thing you have to do, they said that you have to thin out the ends because you don't want to look like this. You guys, I'm not a hairdresser, so I have no idea what I'm doing, but these people on YouTube is very convincing. So as I've seen in the tutorial, what she did, she said like take your two fingers like this and then start just like cutting the ends just like that to kind of like thin it out. and then you just have to basically keep on doing this. I think, you know what, it would be so much better if I do this like layer by layer. So I'm gonna take this section first. I think I'm gonna work on the lower section and then work my way up. So I'm gonna go and cut it. And why is it so awkward? I think it looks so much better than the other side. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this technique actually does work, okay? Alright, so it's decent. Now moving on to this next layer. I feel like if you're cutting the other person's hair, it would be so much easier to do. Like if you're doing this actually in your own hair, it's hard to do it. There we go. And then I'll be working on the last layer. Okay, this side looks so much better, right? I'm just encouraging my own self. So this is what we're working with. I think it's enough. Like, I think the ends are okay. They're not excellent, okay? So at this point, I will be dyeing the hair. Okay, so I have my gloves on. I also changed my shirt. Alright, so let's do this. I don't think this is a good idea. Okay, so I'm gonna take off the wig so I can properly dye it. I'm going to go ahead and use my head mannequin and then dye it there. Okay, so the thing about dyeing this wig's hair is that it's so hard to section it. And I'm not so sure if my hair dye is actually enough for this as well. I think I will need to, just in case if this won't fit, I'll have to buy another one. I know that probably all of you hairdressers out there are like really shook right now and just like screaming, but that's what it is now. Hey guys, I don't really have a good feeling about this. This could either be like really a brilliant idea or a really bad idea. Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like right now. That's what the hair turned out. I really do like the color, but you'll have to see as soon as it dries. Right now, I'm letting it soak in conditioner that it came with. You guys, this is what it looks like as of the moment, and I think it really does resonate Lisa's hair. I mean, in different lightings it looks different, but we have to let this dry first in order for us to see the real color. You guys, this is the color of the wig right now. I know that in the camera it kind of looks a bit lighter and all that, but in real life probably it's just this lighting right now that I have here. But I'm going to go ahead and switch to natural lighting later to let you all see what it looks like. So I was thinking that I am going to flat iron this first. Flat iron it first, and then maybe after that like style it so that it doesn't look like this. I think the lighting here in this room kind of like really messes up with the color, that it doesn't look brown or even... See, straightening the hair made it look so much better. Okay, so this is what we have right now. The hair looks way decent now. I think that this is a really good way to kind of as well restore your wigs if you have like dead ratchet wigs. Okay, so to all of you who are saying that this wig is ratchet, that Monica is ratchet. Monica is the name of the wig, by the way. So I redeemed Monica, okay? She's no longer ratchet. She's saved. Okay, so I think that I did a decent job in restoring this wig from what it looked like before to now. I mean, like, I know it's not perfect, but I think that this is a nice fresh cut for this wig. Yeah, overall, I'm very happy with how it looked like. So in natural lighting, the color looks like this. As I've said, it looks kind of darker. Just to show you guys what it actually looks like in different light. There's a really nice ash blonde type of like look to it. So yep, that is it, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you all think of this wig transformation. This wig was like really just heavily inspired by Lisa's haircut and Lisa's hair color. Just so weird looking at myself with the lighter hair and this hair length. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!